I'm here with Austin-based author and speaker Thom Singer and Paul Grabowski, the Chief Marketing Officer at Bracewell and Giuliani, and they co-authored a new book, The ABCs of Legal Marketing, and they are here to tell us about it. So tell us a little bit about the book. What are some of the highlights from the tips that you provide for lawyers?
There's a couple of things that I think lawyers, they think are easy, but they're not doing, and one is managing their contact list. You know, it sounds like, well, duh, that's so simple. Of course they manage their contact list. But when I sit down and ask an attorney, who are the top 25 people on your list that you're trying to cultivate the relationship and move them forward so that you can develop more business, they look at me like a deer in the headlights. So some of the stuff that's in the book, you know, people will say, well, Thom, this isn't rocket science. This is basic stuff. But if it's never been taught to them before, it can have a life-changing effect on the way they grow their practice.
It's not something that is taught in law school. You good practitioners were taught to be able to come out and work in any area, and we're taught to take the bar exam. And then when we come out, that's when we start working in a practice area or setting out our own shingle. But the problem is, or the issue is that lawyers need to understand, just like anyone who goes and gets an MBA, that you have to be able to generate business. And knowing these things, in addition to what you learn in law school, would really have, I think, changed my career path and a lot of others if they'd had some basic foundations in networking, in how to develop a business plan, in understanding what your brand is.
Where can we find this book?
So the book will be available on Amazon.com. It'll also be available through my website at thomsinger.com. And Paul and I both like to speak and consult with attorneys and with legal groups, and it'll be available anywhere where you see us speak.
All right. Well, thanks so much, Thom and Paul, for joining us. Be sure to check out the ABCs of Legal Marketing. Thanks, everyone.